Quick video. This is the right way, this is the wrong way. Okay, maybe we need a little bit more explanation. On the DW735, there are three main components to the cutter head. There's the head, the blades, and the blade holder. Now with the components properly installed with the bevel side down, the planer operates like this. If the blades are installed upside down, like this, then the head takes off too much material, which prevents the second roller from pulling the material all the way out. And once it's past the first roller, it gets stuck in the machine. So if you have wood that looks like this, check to see if your blades are installed the wrong way.